Hello, my name is Adarsh Mahapatra. Registration number is 22 BCE 2725 and my topic is applications of regular expressions in network security. So, what is network security? It is important for home networks as well as in the business world. Most homes with high-speed internet connections have one or more wireless routers, which could be exploited if not properly secured. A solid network security system helps reduce the risk of data loss, theft, and sabotage. Applying regular expressions for forensic examination is a proven way to locate data because regular expressions are great at searching for data that matches a specific pattern. During such an examination, investigators use keywords to find exact string or word matches and use regular expressions to find strings that match a pattern. Now, what are regular expressions? A regular expression is a sequence of symbols and characters expressing a string or pattern to be searched for within a longer piece of text. Basic syntax and components of regular expressions include meta characters like backslash, literals like 0, 1, 2, 3, character classes, which are things enclosed in square brackets, quantifiers, which are used to quantify how many times a regular expression should be repeated. Overview of network security. A strong network security framework helps to prevent and mitigate the impact of cyber attacks, allowing critical business processes to continue uninterrupted. Various threats faced by networks are malware, which stands for malicious software, phishing, which is fraudulent solicitations and emails to websites, DDoS attacks, which is distributed denial of service attacks, and so on. Now, what is the role of regular expressions in network security? Well, they're employed in network security to scan and analyze incoming and outgoing network traffic for specific patterns, which are indicative of potential security threats. This includes malicious URLs, suspicious IP attacks, and so on. Hence, they are applied in intrusion detection systems (IDS) and intrusion prevention systems (IPS). Now, they are used in IDS and IPS to match specific patterns within data packets. This allows for detection of suspicious or malicious activities based on predefined rules and signature. Examples of common patterns detected are IP addresses, URLs, email addresses, and so on. They are also used for filtering and blocking. We analyze malicious traffic generated by a specific payload pattern. We then create regular expressions that point to this payload and apply it to traffic. All requests that contain a similar payload will be automatically filtered. A firewall rule uses policies and definitions to achieve its functions. Regex can be used to fine-tune the policies and definitions but not firewall rules. Proxy servers allow you to use regular expressions to identify resources. Regular expressions specify a pattern of character strings. In the proxy server, regular expressions are used to find matching patterns in URLs. Log analysis. Performing log analysis with regular expressions instead of searching multiple items, simple terms, can help forensic experts find accurate results in log files when investigating a security incident. Signs for suspicious activity include unusual logins, abnormal access patterns, atypical network traffic, and so on. Now, it's also used for content validation, sanitization. When the user must specify a regex as input, care must be taken to ensure that the original regex cannot be modified without restriction. Whitelisting characters such as letters and digits before delivering the string to the regex parser is a good input sanitization strategy. Email filtering. So regular expressions can be used to filter spam emails. For example, if you want to check emails beginning with JW Clark, you can use this given regular expression. And there are many other regular expressions which are used in email filtering. They are also used in web application firewalls known as WAFs to protect web applications. The URL regular expressions match URL without parameters on a global basis. Some examples are given below. They are also used for network traffic analysis. Filtering for traffic based on the content can be useful when improving network security. With the help of regex, we have the ability to match fixed values like IP addresses or port numbers of a packet. This allows the user to match on every element of the packet. For example, it is possible to search for headlines from newspapers or easily filter HTTP GET messages. Now, some challenges and limitations. Regex expressions could have bad performance in some cases. For example, unbounded repetitions can match a string in many different ways, and the regex engines usually need to do many steps and backtracking to find all of these matches, and they are not suited for very complex recursive data formats like XML or HTML. Some best practices in using regex. Test your regex in testers like regex 101 or regex CR. Document your regex by adding comments so that others can understand it, and use character classes which allow you to match any character in a set. Here are some references which I used to make my slides. Thank you for listening to my video.